Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in CoinMarketCap. To disable push notification in CoinMarketCap, first of all, open the CoinMarketCap application and sign in. Once you're inside the home page or the Markets tab of CoinMarketCap, go to the top right corner and tap on your avatar. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Push Notifications. Now on the next page, to turn off push notifications for CoinMarketCap application, look for the Turn Off for All button at the top right, and you'll then be able to turn off push notification for CoinMarketCap application. You can also toggle off the specific alert, such as if you don't want any market milestones for now, you can toggle off the button right next to it. You can select the specific button for the alert you don't want and turn it off just like that. After you do that, you'll only be able to turn on a specific alert that you really want to receive in the app. So that is how you can easily turn off any unwanted alerts on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.